Okay, this is the top of Grandview Trail, and that's my pack. The base weight of the pack is 12 pounds, but with 2 days of food and water and camera gear, it's total of 40 pounds. This is the top of Grandview Trail, and directly in front of me, right there, is Horseshoe Mesa, and that's where I'm heading tonight. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. You can see in the distance there, you can actually see the river. So this is a great vantage point. And then just on the other side of the trees is Horseshoe Mesa. I'll get a shot of that. So my plan is to head down this trail, which was originally constructed in the early 1900s, late 1800s actually, as a way to get down to the Last Chance Mine, which is on Horseshoe Mesa. And it was made to get down there and back as quickly as possible. So it's a pretty direct route, and it's very, very steep. Here's a good example of how they created steps with logs, which is a little unusual. Nice 360-degree view here. It's very, very quiet. Very quiet. You do not want to be doing this trail if you have any fear of heights. It is really, really steep. Here's another attribute of the trail that's a little bit unique, is the way they're constructed with cobblestones made of sandstone laid on their edge so that it reduces the amount of erosion. Okay, I'm at the Coconino Saddle. It's a good resting point, but I'll tell you what, I'm still shaking a little bit. It's one thing to go down really steep, exposed trails like this that are a little bit slippery. It's another thing to do it with about 40 pounds of water and food and camera gear on your back. It's just my balance was off, and there were a number of sections where I was scooching down on my butt. But it really wasn't too bad. It's just, it's steep. It's really steep. I came from up there. The interesting thing here is right there is one of the best examples of geologic contact of the layers that you'll see in the Grand Canyon. You have the Coconino sandstone on top of the red ledges of the Hermit Shale. And that Hermit Shale was deposited there like 275 million years ago, washed down from the Rocky Mountains. And the Coconino sandstone, that represents what was almost like a Sahara-like dune environment that stretched all the way from Sedona to Monument Valley. That looks like it's right on the verge of getting ready to go. Look at that. Hoo, hoo, hoo. That's gonna go soon. Agave. The last time I was on this trail was at least 5, maybe 7 years ago. And since then, there was a big summer monsoon in 2021 that washed a ton of rock and debris down along this trail. It washed all these rocks down, gigantic boulders, right across the trail. You can see the trail right on the other side, right there. And down in through there. And this whole section of trail for at least, seems like about a mile, is all intermittent debris falls. Hey, I'm at the turnoff. And right there is Horseshoe Mesa. Almost there. And we're gonna do a quick little tour of the campsite. I have my tent over here. And it's REI one-man tent. And you know what? The more I use it, the more I like it. It's really super light. It's only 1.5 pounds. Now you notice I have it tied down in 16 different points. Just because it's been so freaking windy here. And over here, I have my kitchen and hangout area, and this works great. I'm getting ready to cook as soon as the wind dies down. In the meantime, I'm having some Irish whiskey. Tonight it's Yellow Spot, Sláinte. It's one of my faves. And tonight I'm making, hopefully, pasta carbonara. I'll show you the ingredients in a moment, but I tried to make the pasta earlier today. I had some flour, I carried an egg down, all the way down here, and a little salt, and started making my dough, and then the wind kicked up and blew the flour away, so I kind of messed up with that one, but fortunately I brought some store-bought pasta. Okay, so to make it, I have a little regular pasta here, just spaghetti, some Parmesan. Actually, this is Pecorino Romano because I like it better than Parmesan for this. And I pre-grated it last night, just to make life easier. Some pepper. I have 3 strips of bacon that I cooked this morning, most of the way. I still wanted to render some fat down for this dish. And 2 cloves of garlic. And then I have 1 egg left. I have this nice little handy egg carrier. And I do have powdered egg just in case that breaks for any reason. That's my backup. So yeah, as soon as the wind dies, I'll start cooking. Okay, it's got way too windy. It's still very, very windy and too dark to show you how I did this, but here we go. It looks fantastic. Man, cheesy, melty goodness, bacon. Let's try some. Yeah. Oh yeah. God damn, that was good. Good morning. At sunrise. Beautiful sunrise. All right, so the plan today is that little butte right there is kind of the center of Horseshoe Mesa. And so I'm going to do a circle around the whole thing and just explore the whole mesa, take the day to do it. I wonder where the trail goes. Here is the cookhouse from the old mining days. There's a toilet up here. I've been walking for about half hour, and out of nowhere, a little toilet with a view. Now, we are coming to Grandview Point. What a view. Okay, tonight I'm making one of my favorite backpacking meals by black bean chili. But this time I'm frying up a little bit of Spam to give it a different flavor. Now I've added my black beans and tomatoes and some water. So I'm going to bring that to a simmer and add a half packet of taco seasoning. And the last step now is take some Fritos and crunch those up and put that right on top. It's delicious. It's simple, it's hearty, spicy. I'm not sure the Spam adds that much. Ooh, it's so quiet right now. The sun is almost down. You can see behind me. And dusk is setting into the canyon. So I'm the only one out here tonight. I left a little sculpture for the next camper. Some prickly pear. I'm about a mile up or so, and man, it is a beautiful morning. And I'm looking back down to where I came from. That's Cottonwood Creek. And that right there is Horseshoe Mesa. I camped just on the other side of the ridge here. And that little point right out there is the really kind of scary viewpoint I was at yesterday. Heading up. Hardest part is still to come, but I'm feeling good. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. The weather is perfect. I'm getting really close to the top and I can hear people's voices, so I'm gonna sign off here. That was Horseshoe Mesa on the Grandview Trail. It was very, very challenging, but extremely rewarding. Really, really fun trip. Highly recommend. But be careful and be very conditioned. As always, thank you very much for checking out my videos. I'll see you on the next one.